Ever hear someone say investing is just gambling? That's like confusing the roulette player with the person who owns the casino. Finance creator Eric Pan, who's worked in banking, hedge funds, fintech, and crypto, shares the top 3 investing myths that could be costing you thousands. Myth number 1, investing is just gambling. Pan points out that many people think this because they're afraid of the unknown. And if you've ever bought a stock based on a tip from a friend or a barber, well, you may have had a bad experience. Smart investing is about discipline, researching businesses, diversifying, and thinking long-term, not betting on the latest hot stock. Myth number 2, investing is too risky. Pan explains, yes, investing involves risk, but it doesn't have to be reckless. Every rolling 20-year period since 1936 has delivered a positive total return in the S&P 500. Translation: while the market can have wild swings, history shows that time can be your greatest advantage. Myth number 3, only Wall Street pros can succeed. Pan disagrees, pointing out that on Wall Street, no investment happens without running through a framework, whether it's fundamental, technical, or comparative analysis. In his words, everyday investors should adopt the same discipline, but it doesn't have to be complicated. He recommends asking 3 simple questions before you buy. Do I understand this business? Is it fairly valued? How does it fit into my portfolio? So no, investing isn't a casino. It's more risky if you act without a plan, but you don't need permission from the pros to start. And with patience, discipline, and Pan's advice, you can invest smartly and dodge the myths that hold many people back. Got a money question? Head to GoBankingRates.com and ask away for a chance to win $500. Plus, your question could be answered by a top financial expert.